There are a lot of RC models out there, which includes things like RC cars, RC planes, RC trucks, and much more. While all of them may have different sizes and functions, all of them have one common thing, that all of these run on batteries. And as you would expect, you will also need to recharge these batteries using something like the Best RC battery chargers. There are many products available to choose from Best RC battery charger, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best RC battery charger from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tenergy Universal RC Battery Charger. Tenergy is quite a popular brand of high-performance products when it comes to battery chargers and other power-related products like the one stated here. The Tenergy RC battery charger comes at the first position of this list, since this can be a great pick for those who use heavy-duty batteries. You get a voltage range of 6 volts to 12 volts, which is ideal for batteries made for heavy-duty usage. There is also a pretty good current rating of 1 amp to 2 amp, which results in decent charging speeds with the batteries that are compatible with this RC battery charger. Since Tenergy is quite popular and reputable. Number 2. Spektrum Smart Battery Charger. Spektrum is a brand of RC model accessories like batteries and RC battery chargers that typically offer very high performance, along with various handy features. This Spektrum Smart S150 RC battery charger comes at the second position of this article, because it is the most powerful option stated here. You get an excellent current rating of 0.5 amp to 5 amp, with it allowing you to quickly charge most batteries. However, to offer such a high current rating, it has a fixed voltage rating of 4.2 volts, which means that you should look elsewhere if you wish to have a versatile charger. As per the name, this is a smart charger that can give you various statistics and information about your batteries. At its given price tag, the included 1-year warranty is to be expected. Pros: excellent charging speeds. Smart charger with various handy statistics. Small and compact form factor. Cons: fixed voltage rating. Number 3. Hobby-made RC car battery charger. When compared with most other brands of RC batteries and RC battery chargers, Hobby-made and its offerings are much more affordable. If you are on a tight budget and want a high value for money RC battery charger, then the Hobby-made one can be a viable option, thanks to its fairly low price tag. Even at the given price tag, you get a voltage rating of 3.6 volts to 9.6 volts with it for decent compatibility. In fact, unlike what you would expect from a budget offering, this one offers a fairly decent build quality, along with a 1-year warranty. When talking about its performance numbers, it falls a bit behind, due to the limited current output of 0.4 amp to 0.7 amp. Pros: highly affordable and budget-friendly. Pretty high value for money. Wide range of supported voltage. Number 4. Swissup RC Battery Charger. Swissup is a fairly new brand of RC model accessories that still manages to offer decently powerful offerings like its RC battery charger. The Swissup RC battery charger manages to offer a great balance between compatibility and performance, making it a great all-rounder option for many. Starting with its compatibility, this charger supports multiple voltages ranging between 3.6 volts to 10.8 volts. Coming to its performance numbers, you will be glad to know that this charger can offer a current of 0.1 amp to 1 amp, depending on the battery that you are using. While you do get a 1-year warranty included, the build quality of this RC battery charger does leave the user wanting for more. Pros: great all-rounder RC charger. Wide voltage rating support. Decent charging speeds. Cons: build quality could have been better. Number 5. Energetic RC Battery Charger. Despite being a bit on the premium side, Energetic and its RC batteries as well as RC battery chargers are known to offer high performance numbers to the user. Energetic's RC battery charger is one of the most powerful options stated in this listicle. This is possible due to its excellent current rating of 1 amp to 3 amp, which is designed for larger and heavy-duty batteries. Similarly, you also get a matching voltage rating of 7.4 volts to 11.8 volts, which is set keeping larger batteries in mind. As you would expect at the given price tag, this Energetic RC battery charger includes a 1.5-year warranty, making it slightly more. Pros: better reliability than most RC battery chargers. Quite a high current rating. Compatible with most heavy-duty batteries. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.